Hallo liebe Fulbrighter und Fulbrighterinnen. Ich heiße Peter O'Brien. Ich bin Politologe an der Trinity Universität hier in San Antonio. Mein Spezialisierungsgebiet ist Immigrationspolitik in Europa. In Bezug auf die Fulbright Diversity Initiative fungiere ich als Hauptvermittler zwischen der Trinity Universität und der Fulbright-Kommission in Berlin. Ich möchte an dieser Stelle betonen, dass das ganze Programm mit der Trinity Universität auf Englisch stattfinden wird. Angesichts dieses Faktums switche ich jetzt aus dem Deutschen in das Englische. So, congratulations on earning this prestigious Fulbright stipendium. I was a Fulbright scholar myself in Berlin in 2011 and in Istanbul in 1996, and it was a wonderful experience and has brought me lifelong connections and exchanges, like being the negotiator for this program with you people. We're very much looking forward to this program, even though it's going to be virtual. We've started planning an exciting virtual program with lots of ways to interact with Trinity students, faculty, and staff. I'm looking forward, for instance, to having a handful of you in my contemporary political thought seminar. I'm also planning to bring students to Berlin in May and June of 2022. So we're planning to meet as many of you as we can in person. We always plan a meeting between our students and the Trinity the Fulbright alumni from Trinity, and I plan to do so in next year. So we'll also even have a few paid positions that some of you, probably most likely the Berliner among you, can apply for and actually then work with us in a kind of internship. But for now, let me say congratulations once again, tell you that we're really looking forward to meeting you, and now let the rest of the team introduce themselves.
Hi Fulbrighters, my name is Gina Pham. I'm a program associate at Trinity University Center for International Engagement, and I'm going to be the main coordinator for the Fulbright Diversity Initiative with Trinity University. I'd like to say that I know Trinity and Texas pretty well. I was born and raised in Texas. I'm a Vietnamese American background, but when I went to university, I went to Trinity University, and now I work here. I did live in Texas for most of my life, with just a few years here and there in Louisiana and California, but then found my way back to Texas and back to Trinity. And so I'm excited to show you Texas and Trinity, and hope that you are interested in getting to know the very unique culture here. But without further ado, I want to introduce you more to the rest of the team, and as well as the rest of the program, and hope that you're excited for what we have in store for you. As part of FDITU, you'll be enrolled in 3 Trinity classes. The first of these classes is INTL 1300, or Introduction to Intercultural Competence. This is an international studies class in which students will learn theories in intercultural competence and then practice these skills through simulations, activities, and project-based learning with their international peers. This class meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays and is taught by Dr. Katsuo Nishikawa Chavez, and he actually has a word of welcome to send to you guys now.
Hi, I'm Katsuo Nishikawa Chavez. I'm a professor of political science, and I'll be teaching the intercultural communication class that we'll all be in. There'll be some neat experiences coming forward, and I think we'll be able to develop friendships and to learn about each other and grow in interesting ways. I think it's going to be an experience that will, stay with us for a long time. So with that, I want to say bienvenidos al programa here at Trinity University, and see you soon.
The second class that you'll be enrolled in is Education 1310, or Seminar in Urban Education Policy and Practice. This will be a fascinating glimpse into the U.S. education system and how policy affects schools, teachers, students, parents, community, government, and broader society. This class meets Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays and is taught by Dr. Habiba Noor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Habiba Noor, and I teach in the Department of Education at Trinity University. And I will be teaching your class called Urban Education Policy and Practice during your virtual program at Trinity. The class will have 20 Trinity students, and you will be doing a series of readings, some small group discussion, and you should also expect to do a presentation. I'm really looking forward to meeting you virtually in August. Until then, take care.
And last but not least, the third class will be a class of your own choosing. You'll soon be receiving a list of Trinity class options that have available virtual seating, and I'll be coordinating with you so that you can get enrolled in a class of your choice. Of course, there's more to FDITU than just the academic coursework. We have an exciting assortment of virtual extracurricular activities in store so that you can further explore U.S. history, society, and culture in fun and engaging formats. Here's just a quick sneak peek into some of the activities we're excited to offer. Now I'd like to say we saved the best for last. As part of FDITU, we have interns who are current Trinity students around your age who are excited to get to know you. They support the program. They're basically your virtual buddies who can answer your questions. They'll partake in group activities. They're excited for cultural exchange, and they can also plan unofficial casual activities outside of our official programming. Anyway, without further ado, I'll let our interns introduce themselves to you.
Hi Fulbrighters, willkommen. My name is Sol Rivas Lopez and I am one of the FDITU interns for this year. I am a political science and international studies double major with a French minor. I guess that by the time I meet y'all, I'm gonna be 20 years old and I will be a rising junior. Here at Trinity, I am also involved in the Student Government Association. I am a senator. I am vice president for the Trinity University Latino Association. I am peer chair for the International Humanitarian Crisis Initiative, and I am also a member of the sorority Sigma Theta Tau and of the Trinity Distinguished Representatives. A little bit more about me personally. I was born in Argentina. My mom is Brazilian and I lived there for a very long time in Rio too. And I moved to the States in 2016 when I was about 15 years old, and I've been here ever since. The things that I like to do, there are a lot. I love watching TV shows. I like listening to music. I actually can embroider and do sometimes. I like learning languages, so maybe by the time you guys are here, I will have learned some German. We'll see. And yeah, and I also love hanging out with my friends. I am so excited to meet you, so excited for this program, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Jordan Nelson and I'm currently walking to go work out, but I just wanted to say, quick video, hello. I am going into my second year here at Trinity. So I'm a freshman right now and then I'll be a sophomore whenever I finally get to meet you guys. But I am a political science and history major and I'm minoring in philosophy. So just a quick look of where I am. I really hope nobody sees me recording this video, but I just wanted to say, like, I'm very excited to be involved in working with you guys. I'm on the basketball team here, but I might not play because I have had severe concussions. My head is crying itself to sleep every night. Oh my gosh, wait. We have a bunch of cats on campus This is Trinity, and she's very cute. I don't know how happy she was to see me, but I'll show you guys the gym in a little bit, I guess, and it'll be fun. Here is CalGuard. It is very, very pretty. And I'm just gonna shoot a little bit. And yeah, super excited to finally meet you guys, and go Tigers!
Hello, my name is Mai Vo. I'm a senior and international student from Hanoi, Vietnam. I'm double majoring in piano performance and communications and minoring in film studies. On campus, I'm involved with the Vietnamese Students Association. I'm involved with Lunar New Year Planning Committee. I'm also involved in the DEI Task Force and Campus Publications, which is their yearbook, as well as their newspaper. And I'm also part of the collaborative. I work with faculty to improve their teaching, and I work with the International Students Office. I'm very excited to be meeting you guys in the fall, even though it's virtual, and looking forward to the experience, and also welcome to Trinity.
And that's pretty much our team. We're super excited to meet y'all and be a part of this program, start getting to know each one of you as individuals. But before we go, I do have a quick plug to introduce you to the FDITU 2021 website. We wanted to make the website a fun, interactive place for you to explore San Antonio, the Trinity campus, because of course this program is virtual this year, but we still wanted you to be able to engage with things as if you were here with us in person. We have a calendar where the events are starting so far in August, but be sure to check back as we're gonna be adding to the calendar as we go along. There's a whole Explorer tab where we saved a lot of interesting fun facts about Trinity, San Antonio, exciting pictures, maps, resources about the American South, things for you to really get to know U.S. culture the way that we see it. Of course, there's the team page so that you can remind yourselves who we are, and we saved a page for you as well because we know the Fulbrighters will have amazing contributions to add to this program, and we wanted a spotlight page for you to have your reflections as you move throughout this program, and as you're having new ideas and thoughts come up as you're doing cultural exchange with us in the US, and we're learning about you, your German culture, and any backgrounds that are unique to you and your family. We wanted you to be able to grow in your cultural identity and your identity as an individual. And as you have those reflections, share it in a creative project and format, whatever is uniquely you. And then we have a page on our website where we hope to spotlight a lot of student projects and be able to share it with the world. So we hope you're as excited as we are. And of course, there will be lots more information as to come as the program continues to evolve and we get closer to the date. But all information will be available at this website, sites.google.com/trinity.edu/FDITU 2021. We'll be updating the website as we go along, so be sure to check there. So once again, from all of us to you, congratulations on your acceptance into the Fulbright Diversity Initiative with Trinity University. We're excited to start this program with you.